Gold price is up this AM. We're going to find out why on this edition of Technically Speaking with Jim Wyckoff. And here he is. Hi, Jim.
Hi, Alex. Nice to be with you.
Now, before we get started, I hijacked the first question of filming this week to make it Super Bowl oriented. So, Jim, what'd you think of the game?
You know, it was one of the more exciting games in recent years. The end was sure a surprise, and there's a still stimulating conversation here later this week.
Absolutely. So, Jim, let's get down to business. Gold up this morning. In your AM report, you mentioned that it was due to a corrective bounce. Now, is there more at play here?
Alex, we're just seeing choppy and sideways trading in the gold market right now, and that is, chart consolidation, also called backing and filling. We haven't had a major fundamental driver for the gold market this week, so you're just seeing that kind of back and forth type price action. Technically, the bulls do have the slight near-term technical chart advantage. Fundamentally, we're looking ahead to Friday's jobs report.
Yes, and we will get to the jobs report in a moment. But first, let's talk about Greece. They've been grabbing the headlines much of the early week. Now, in terms of the safe haven bid, a lot of people are asking if Greece's softening stance has kind of taken it off the table. Has it?
Well, the softer tone from the Greek prime minister put a little bit more risk appetite in the marketplace this week. But from the reports I've read, the Germans are still pretty leery about granting any further leeway on debt obligations. So we'll see how that plays out. I suspect that this problem, this debt problem in Greece and also the periphery countries of the European Union is not going to go away. It's going to resurface. And that is going to continue to be an underlying supportive factor for the gold market in the weeks and months ahead.
And getting back to the jobs report coming out on Friday, big data point for the week, maybe for the month. Now, ADP employment came out today. It was kind of ignored by the market. No one really paid attention to the number. But what is gold really looking for? What is the market looking for coming up on Friday?
What gold and the marketplace is going to look for Friday is any jobs reading that's out of line with expectations. The consensus calls for a rise in non-farm payrolls of around 225,000 in January. Any deviation from that is going to move the markets at least a little bit. A big miss is going to move the markets even more. So that's what gold and the rest of the marketplace is going to be looking for.
All right, Jim, let's get to your Wyckoff market ratings for the week. What do you got for gold and silver?
Alex, I'm giving both gold and silver a Wyckoff market rating of 5.5, slightly into the bullish camp. Both markets are seeing price uptrends still in place on the daily bar charts, but just barely. The gold and silver bulls need to show some more power soon to keep their near-term chart advantages. Near-term, looking at support for April COMEX gold at 1252. That's the recent low. Overhead resistance at 1300. March COMEX silver sees resistance at $18 and support at $17.
Sounds good, Jim. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, Alex. Can't wait till next time. Bye-bye.
And thank you for watching this edition of Technically Speaking. As always, comments or questions are always welcome at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Have a good one.